Hello children, welcome to online English classes. Today we are going to begin the first chapter of the Beehive book, and the name of the chapter is The Fun They Have, and it's written by Isaac Asimov. The chapter is about the present scenario, that is the online classes. In this chapter there is a boy named Tommy who is 13 years old and a girl named Margie who is 11 years old, and both are brothers and sisters. They are not going to school because their school is at their home next to their bedroom, and they are not having the usual teacher as you are having the human teacher. Instead of that, they are having a mechanical teacher, and that is the computer, and that mechanical teacher is dealing with all the subjects. Now one day what happened, Tommy found a real book, and Margie has seen that. He approached to Margie and he has shown that book to Margie, that I have got a real book in the attic. And that day only Margie wrote a diary that today on 17th May 2157 Tommy found a real book. The pages of the book were yellow and they were crinkled because it was kept from so many years. The book was of their grandfather's time. When Tommy compared the book with his television screen book, that is the digital book, he found that the book was a waste because once it was read, it can be thrown away. He found that his digital book was of much importance because there were a number of subjects on the computer screen also, so that was of much importance and it could not be discarded, as this book could be discarded once it was read. Now Margie asked Tommy what the book was about. Tommy told the book was about school. As she came to know the book was about school, she was not interested in that book because she hated school, as she was not doing well in geography sector, as the mechanical teacher was giving test after test in geography and she was performing really worse in geography. Hence her mother was worried about it and she called the county inspector. The county inspector was a fat man with a red face and a huge box of tools. He took the mechanical teacher aside and adjusted the geography level up to Margie's age level. It was done within few hours and he returned the mechanical teacher to Mrs. Jones and then said that it was not the fault of the little girl, it was the fault of the computer, as the geography sector was set above her age level. That was the reason that she was not performing well in it. So then he has gone, but the little girl was disappointed as she thought that once the mechanical teacher was gone, it will be away for a month, as once Tommy's mechanical teacher was taken by the county inspector for a month. So she also expected the same thing, but the county inspector has returned the mechanical teacher, and then once again Tommy went to Margie and he was talking about the book. Margie was not interested. Margie said, what is there in the book? It is all about schools and I don't like schools. So Tommy said that it is not like our schools. That time the schools were different. There was a separate building and in that building a number of classes were there and children were going to schools and they were having friends and they were having human teachers. First of all, Margie could not digest that how a human teacher could be so worthy enough to teach the students. She was thinking whether the teacher would be so intelligent like her mechanical teacher, and she did not like that the human teacher should come to her home and teach her. Then Tommy explained that the teacher was not coming to the home. Instead of that, the children were going to the school, and in one class there were children of same age. They were sitting and studying, and whatever the problem was there, they were interacting with each other as well as the teacher. So it was a great fun. Now Margie started thinking about that time of school. Soon her mother came and called her because it was time for her school, and her teacher was waiting for her, and her class was just next to her bedroom, and there only the mechanical teacher was waiting for her. Her mother believed that little girls should learn at regular intervals of time because that is good for them. So daily the mechanical teacher was on at the fixed time. Now Margie was there sitting in front of the mechanical teacher, and it was flashing arithmetic, and it was going to teach addition of fractions to her, but she was not interested in that at all, as she was thinking still about the old schools where a number of children were going and having fun. She also wanted to go there. So that was all about the chapter. Hope so it is clear to all of you. Good day.